Anyways, well, why did I say that? Anyways, welcome to my second video. Sorry about the title of my first video. I didn't know that I would say that, so yeah. Anyways, yeet. Anyways, yeah. Oh, and if you want to see my face, I will do a screen face cam when I get like roughly 100 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button. Anyway, I'm joined here by my sister. What? Where is she? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm not answering.
Hey, Siri! Come here.
Hi.
Come here.
No. No.
Bang!
Okay. I'm here. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
She might get a YouTube channel. I don't know.
I'm
She
gonna
hasn't
jump
made
on
it
your
yet.
face.
Nope.
No.
Nope. Oh,
I
wait.
got pizza flavored bubblegum, the best around. You know? Because it's awesome.
I don't know. I don't know. I could buy pizza flavor.
Okay. You know, you know what? I have chewy gum.
Congrats.
No, but I have chewy gum. You know how expensive that is?
900?
900! I'm so awesome. You know?
Meh.
What? So rude.
Oh, so.
My brother is so rude sometimes.
I'm always rude. I got pizza.
Oh yeah, you're not rude when you got pizza. Well, you got
Pizza. That's right.
pizza.
I got pizza.
Well, if you have pizza,
Boing.
then nothing's wrong if you have pizza, right?
Yeah.
Nothing's wrong. Well, I got pizza too, so nothing's wrong. Why is there all of a sudden a big clump of poop in the air?
Wait, what?
You
There
see
is?
it? It's like a poop cloud.
Wait, what? There is?
There's a poop cloud. Just look up.
No, it's an island.
It's a poop cloud.
It's an island.
Well, how do I get on the poop cloud?
It's called an island.
It's called a poop cloud. How do you get there?
I'm gonna cut you out of. I'm just gonna cut you.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Did I do anything wrong?
It's the poop cloud.
Oh, because it's the poop
It's
cloud.
the poop cloud.
Sorry.
How do you get over to that island?
I don't know. Maybe you can buy like flying objects. That sounds so dumb. I'm sorry.
Yeah, maybe you could buy flying objects.
I'm getting another pet.
You're gonna get a penny?
I got another doggy.
Congrats. Why do you call it doggy?
Because it's a doggy. Can I equip both?
Mm.
No. I'm equipping the level 2 one because it's better. Sorry. Sorry.
Well, you don't know. The other one might have better perks.
Same thing.
Okay. Yeah.
This one's better.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's better. Level 2. Oh, quail! Thank you. Thank you, cousin.
I can sell.
Let me make a bubble gum, cause awesome. Let me make a bubble gum.
I got $6. Wow. I'm gonna buy an egg.
I get like
buy an egg.
I get like 20, 200.
I got a kitty.
I got double cat. I got double dogs and you got double cats.
Wait, this person has equipped 3 pets.
Because you have to buy, I think, double pets.
Check.
Because I think they're pro and renewed.
I'm cutting you out.
Actually, no, you're the noob. I'm not the noob. I'm joking. Don't get angry. He's mad at me.
You know what this tile's gonna be?
What? What are you gonna do to me?
Lady calls me a noob, but she's a noob.
What?
Haha.
You know the real noob is you.
Yeah, I did.
Look at your crazy hair. Do you brush it?
No.
I brush my hair.
I don't like brushing hair. Okay. I don't even put gel in this. I don't even put gel in this. It's just all natural, you know? Natural.
No, it's not.
And these cardboard swords I just found around here, they must have been created by the heavens, you know? Yeah. Yeah.
What about
And
that
these pants
galaxy?
and these shoes with words on them. Yeah. That's a original. Awesome. They're original. And these shirts I found in the floor. Yeah.
So stylish.
Yeah.
I actually have real knives and swords, you know?
Yeah, that's so not
Real
stylish.
people have. If you want to be cool.
I'm cool.
No, you're not. No, you're not. Sorry. You're just not cool. Okay, moving on. Why? No. I can't get up this tree. Maybe I can. Whoa! Oh man. Can't get them. I want to jump into someone's bubble. I want to get in their bubble business. Get it?
The bubble business? What is wrong with you?
Nothing. Nothing is
What is wrong with
me.
you? Bubble business.
Bubble
What is
business.
wrong with you?
Nothing.
It sounds like everything's wrong
Nothing.
with you.
You're so mean. What?
Someone made it to the Twilight area.
Well, how do I get in here? Can I go?
You have to make it to that so-called poop cloud.
Aww,
That
so
so-called
hard. How do I know?
poop
Go
cloud.
to the Twilight to unlock this. Where's the Twilight?
Above the space one. Which, yeah.
What? Okay. Was there any easier ones? Discover the Skyland to unlock this portal. Where's the Skyland? The one very top? What? Discover the vault to... Seriously! How am I going to...
The void. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it.
I'm
to the
going
void.
to the island. You're gonna help me. You're gonna help me, dude.
Wait, what?
You're gonna help me.
I've always been wanting to go there, but
You're gonna help me, dude.
Wait, what?
No matter how.
Well, let me fill my bubble first so I can get high.
How do you go high, dude?
The highest you can get is by filling your bubble completely. That's my logic. Don't judge my logic. My logic.
How do I make like a pathway? I'm gonna look.
Oh man, I'm so close. My bubble's as big as my face. Yeah.
How do I
get up there?
You go on my
Huh.
head. Go on my head.
I almost made it. Wait, I got this. I got this. This is so hard.
You can only go through me.
Wait, I got this.
Logic to make a big bubble.
Expert. How?
What are you doing?
Doing expert stuff
You
that only experts do.
just fell.
Yeah.
You were so close. How'd you do that?
By the trampoline.
I go in here and then
I made it!
What do you do? How did you do that?
You have to use the trampoline. No!
My bubble's full.
I know, that's good.
No, I have
Boy, I made it. Look, I made it again.
How?
The trampoline. It gets you that
there.
high. I'm so close to the poop.
No, you're not.
I can smell it.
Okay.
That wonderful, wonderful
How do
odor.
I get there?
Anyways, that will wrap it up for today. I just realized how long we have been doing this. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell as well. Like Taco Bell. Yeah.
I can't get on this cloud. Okay, bye.
Bye. Wait, let me pop my bubble. Pow! Oh wait, S. Anyways, yeah. Bye. 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 Bye.
Get up there.